In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send Google Forms responses in Google Sheets to email. Start by opening your form in Google Forms. Make sure you are in the editor view, where you can see the questions and settings for the form. Along the top, you will see a few tabs. Click the Responses tab. This is where Google Forms collects every submission, and it is also where you can connect those responses to a spreadsheet for easier viewing and sharing. Inside the Responses tab, find and click View in Sheets. Google will either create a new spreadsheet or open the one that is already linked to your form. This spreadsheet is useful because each form submission appears as a new row, and each question becomes a column. It is much easier to review, sort, and store responses here than inside the form itself. Once the Google Sheet is open, go to the top left area under the file name and click File. This opens a menu with several options for sharing and exporting. In that menu, hover over Email. When you hover there, a side menu will appear. Click Email this file. A new email window will pop up. In the Recipients field, type the email addresses of the people you want to send the spreadsheet to. Take your time and double-check spelling, because the message will go exactly where you send it. Next, fill in the subject line. Use a clear subject so the recipient understands what they are receiving, such as a note that it contains form responses. You can also add a short message in the body of the email. This is optional, but it helps to include context, like what the form was for and what you want the recipient to do with the data. Before sending, quickly confirm you are emailing the correct spreadsheet. If you manage multiple forms, it is easy to have more than one sheet open at a time. When you are ready, click Send. Google will email the spreadsheet file to your recipients. That covers everything you need to know.